Good afternoon, coaches. A little video on spacing and something that we believe in. This spacing does not necessarily have to be within the spread offense, which we believe in, and the offense in which we call the power spread. This spacing can be used in any offense that you have wideouts. I look at spacing sort of like you do on defense in a cover three. You have a whole field that you can use when you're talking about spacing. If the ball is on one hash and you got your top receiver on the opposite hash, then you only using 2/3 of the field. So it does not open up the running lanes or the alleys that the running backs get outside, or the ball carrier, anybody who handles the ball get outside. It does not open up the seams for you to run in. So you only playing on 2/3 of the field. I hope you can understand that the field that I got drawn up here. As you can see, I got the point of position of the ball in three areas, okay? These little dashes represent the hash mark. I got the point of position, or the line of scrimmage, or where the ball is placed, in the middle of the field, in the left hash, and on the right hash. This concept of spacing is very simple, and it always starts with our outside receivers. Our inside receivers adjust accordingly, depending on the pass play, depending on the run play. But our outside receivers never leave the numbers. They never leave the numbers. It is simple as this. If the ball is in the middle of the field, our outside receivers, which is our X and our Y, are at the bottom of the numbers. Okay, again, if the ball is in the middle of the field, our X and our Y are at the bottom of the numbers. Very simple. If the ball is on the left hash, all right, our X, he splits the difference between the sidelines and the numbers. Our Y, who is now on the opposite hash, or the opposite side of the ball, he is at the top of the numbers. So he never leaves the numbers. All right, if the ball is on the right hash, our Y splits the difference between the sideline and the numbers, and our X is now on the top of the numbers. So our X and our Y never leave the numbers. That's how far we want to spread the defensive out. Again, our slots in our offense, the left slot is the H, our right slot is the Z, but in our offense, our slots split the difference, determining the play, whether it's pass or run. So very simple. Ball in the center of the field, ball in the middle of the field. X and Y are your wideouts at the bottom of the numbers. Ball on the left hash. Your X splits the difference between the sideline and the numbers. Your Y, which is to the wide side of the field, now he lines up at the top of the numbers. Ball on the right hash, which is the bottom example. Y, who is at the short side of the field, splits the difference between the sideline and the numbers. X, who is now to the wide side of the field, he's at the top of the numbers. Again, our X and our Y, the wideouts, is the ones who determine the spacing, but they never really leave the numbers. This is a spread offense. It spreads them from sideline to sideline. It opens up running lanes. It opens up running alleys. It gives you space to throw in. And we believe in the true spread. We're going to spread you out sideline to sideline. Hope this helps. Again, the slots adjust accordingly.